And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. It's June 15th, 7:24 p.m. California time. Yesterday, because there was nothing in my subscribers on YouTube that I hadn't watched, and I didn't want to watch the news because basically every time I watch the news lately, there's a mass shooting somewhere in the United States. It's like they got cabin fever and you let them out and they take a gun and they start shooting at people. It's insane. So to avoid all that, I decided to watch something calm and peaceful and relaxing. The volcanic eruption in Iceland. Boy, are people stupid! I mean, they were getting right up to the lava. It's hot! I mean, that one needed the brain examined. It's hot! No, so do you think it's safe? No! Sitting in my living room watching the Iceland volcanic eruption on YouTube was as close as I want to ever get to a volcano. I think unless you're one of those scientists who studies volcanoes, I think they call it a volcanologist, so they know everything about Mr. Spock. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, unless you're a volcanologist, you don't need to be anywhere near a volcano. I mean, in Hawaii, they're smart. Killer whales start spitting out lava. They just go visit their cousin on the other side of the island. Or maybe they go to another island, visit a cousin over there. They check the news and call people in the neighborhood they just evacuated from. Is my house still there? Oh, it's not? Oh, good. I'm rich. You don't know the volcano insurance I got on that place. Yeah. Yeah, I love you. Yeah. Okay, well, I got to put the papers in. I'll see you next week. It's like 2 years ago. That volcano in, is it White Island off of New Zealand? Anyway, the volcano off of New Zealand, somewhere around New Zealand. They had a dozen tourists scorched to death. Insane! Stupid! And the people who took their money to take them there should be thrown in the volcano! Since this is a special comment leading towards the humorous, and I have feelings about the news. This is organic to the performance, so don't complain. Eight days ago, I turned 65. That's right. I'm officially old. Unofficially before I was old, but now I'm officially old. If you ever watched Frasier, you heard of geezer mail? Yeah, I'm getting it. Medicaid. The upshot is I got to start paying for my prescriptions now. And even though it isn't all that much, it really eats into my allowance. Every month I get $100. That's my allowance. Sometimes I call it my beer money. Lately I've been calling it my YouTube channel funding source. Well, that's going to be decimated paying for my scripts. And I can't expect no COVID money because COVID going bye-bye. So it's up to you, dear viewer. I am going to have my wife set up a GoFundMe for Poppy's Workshop YouTube channel. If you want to help me, throw a couple of bucks in the kitty at GoFundMe for Poppy's Workshop YouTube channel. When I get enough to buy anything, I'll tell you all about it and show it to you. I'm not kidding. I have to ask you for money. So, GoFundMe, Poppy's Workshop YouTube channel. Be generous, okay? Good night from California. Stay safe.